Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's see how we can use conditional columns within Power BI. So our first task will be how to use conditional columns with one column within Power Query in Power BI. So let me just show you the table that we'll use for conditional column. So here we have three tables. We have sales table, we have costing table, and we also have date table. But for our conditional column, for one column, we want to use sales table. So let me just take you to Power BI. So within Power BI, we'll go to Home tab, then Get Data. Then since we are using Excel workbook, we'll click Excel workbook. Then we'll choose a conditional column, then open. Then from here, I want us to choose sales table. Then we'll choose load or rather transform data. Then from here now we want to show when there is highest sales, when there is average sales, and when we have the lowest sales. So we'll use the units sold column to show average sales, lowest and highest sales. So we'll just go to add column, and then under add column we have the function called general, and within the general functions we have conditional column, index column, and duplicate column. But in our case we want to use conditional column, so I will click this one for conditional column. Then from here we are being told add conditional column. So here first I will say here our first clause will be if we want to use unit sold, not sales agent. We are using unit sold. So if unit sold is equal to, is less than or equal to, then from here I can select a column. No, I want to use 1000. I will say this one is lowest sales. Then we can add another clause. Then we can say if units sold is greater than or equal to 1400, or let's say 1500, here we'll say this is highest sales. Else you can say average sales. So what will fall in between this lowest sales and highest sales will be average sales. So then let's click OK. Then from here you can also name your column. So here you can say type of sales, then you can click OK. Then from here now you can see we have average sales, we have lowest sales, we also have highest sales. So when you want to just know the highest sales, in terms of products, we'll come and click we'll come and select highest sales. Then from here we can know that Dominic, Mohammed, and Kim made the highest sales, and their products were AA6, AA8, and AA10. And then when we want to know the lowest sales as well, we'll come down here then click lowest sales, and we know those who made lowest sales were Joshua and Donald, and their products were AA2 and AA3, and the units sold were 900 and 800 respectively. So that's how to use conditional column for one column within a given table. So in our next class, we'll do conditional column with 2 columns. So thanks a lot for watching, and let's meet again on the next video.